Good morning, students. In the last class, we have studied about the pronouns. So, after pronouns, the topic is contractions. Okay. CONTRACTIONS, contractions. So, the meaning of contractions. A contraction is a short way of writing two words together. So the meaning of contraction is, I repeat once again, a contraction is a short way of writing two words together. So here are some examples. He plus will. Here you have two words. So in the contraction we will be writing he ill. Understood? We leave some letters or some sounds in a contraction. So we leave W and I here. Only we have written LL, right? And also we have left the sound. So E ill. So he plus will. So these are the two words. And this is the contraction word. How you use in the contraction. So the short way. So here I have written four contraction words. Am, she's, your, they ill. Understood? So four contraction words I have written. Now I'll be writing the full form of these contraction words. Okay. So two words. So in the contraction, an apostrophe punctuation mark is used. So you can see the apostrophe. Can you see in all the words I have written apostrophe. So apostrophe punctuation mark will be used in the contraction while writing the contraction words. Okay, I'll be showing the words. So these are the contraction words and I have written the full words. Full two words. You can see I am. Here I have written contraction word. She is. You are. They will. So a contraction is a short way of writing two words together. Next we'll move on to the exercise which is there in your course book. So this is a contraction heading. It's in page number 40. So here you can see the girl and the boy here and the conversation between them. So where's Dhruva? I think he is gone with Disha. You will be going to, won't you? So you can see the highlighted words. It's in purple. So the highlighted words are contraction words. Okay. The highlighted words have been formed by joining two words. Such words are called contractions. We have used the mark apostrophe. Understood? A contraction may be formed by combining a noun or pronoun with am, is, are, as, have, had, will, would. So here you can see they have used it, and this is LL is nothing but will. Okay. So it'll be nice and cool in evening, so said Atharva. And here in the second example, you can see apostrophe S is there. So it is a is. Grandma's. So this is the contraction words which is highlighted. So they were used apostrophe also and even the short form words. So we need to write IS, but they have used here short form words. So grandma's waiting for you at the house. They are playing hide and seeks. So RE is nothing but ARER. Okay. So next, would, should, could, might, must, with, have. So the children, these words are used in these. You can see in these two examples. The children would. We is nothing but have. So HAVE, have. Could have played hide and seek. They should have been careful. So here also they have used again have. Next is, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had or would, should, could, might, must, with, not. So these words are given the examples by 2. So the children didn't feel scared. So here didn't. So the short form is didn't. So it's a did not. So didn't word is a contraction word. So for that contraction word, so the 2 words which is combined here is did not. Understood? So the children didn't feel scared. So here they have given the contraction word. So the 2 words which is combined for didn't is did not. So it's a did did and not not. Next, the crooks haven't been seen since then. So haven't is nothing but have not. H-A-V-E have, N-O-T not. Understood? Next, D mean you have an exercise that rewrite these sentences using contractions wherever necessary. So they have given two words they will be giving. So that you need to combine the word. So that is contraction. So you need to write the sentences by contractions. So here I can see first question I'll be doing. So this means students, you don't have space here. So you need to do in your class workbook. See, I'll be showing. So this is the continuation of the half-built house question and answers. And we have finished. So after that, you need to write D mean. Rewrite these sentences using contractions wherever necessary. We have to put today's date. And the first question is, I do not like people who lie. So do not, you have a 2 words. So how do you write it in contraction, students? I don't like people who lie. Understood? See, here you can see I have written the answer. Do not will become don't in the contraction words. So I don't, I have used even the apostrophe you can see here. I don't like people who lie. Understood? So next 5 questions is left. So you need to write in the classwork. You have to continue from here after the first one. So second answer, third answer, like that you need to complete it. So first one I have done. So second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So 5 questions are left. So you need to complete it in your classwork. And also students, in the practice book, page number 22, there also you have one mean, that is you need to rewrite the sentences by using contraction words. Okay. So by these words to be written in contraction words. So that is contraction is short form words. Okay. So I will go out to watch a movie today. So I will go out to watch a movie today. So I will. So you can remove W and I. So it will become I apostrophe double L. Go out to watch a movie today. So when you remove W and I, it will be a contraction words. Okay. So even this mean you need to complete it in your practice book. So total you got 2 means you need to complete it in your classwork and also in the practice book. Here you have a 5 questions. So thank you students.